Welcome to our fashion design channel, where creativity meets craftsmanship and every elegant outfit begins as a simple idea before becoming a masterpiece of style. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of fashion creation to discover how skilled designers transform inspiration into clothing that expresses confidence, beauty, and personality. Every elegant dress begins with inspiration. Designers often start by sketching ideas that capture graceful silhouettes, flowing lines, and balanced proportions. These drawings are more than artistic expressions. They serve as technical blueprints that guide every stage of production. During this early phase, designers refine sleeve shapes, neckline styles, skirt lengths, and decorative details until every element contributes to a harmonious design. Once the concept is complete, selecting the perfect fabric becomes the next priority. Premium silk, satin, chiffon, or crepe each create unique movement and texture. Designers carefully evaluate how each fabric drapes across the body, reflects light, and responds during sewing. Although a t-shirt appears simple, creating a truly comfortable and stylish one requires careful planning. Designers begin by determining the overall style, whether slim fit, relaxed fit, oversized, or athletic. Small changes in proportions can dramatically influence both appearance and comfort. Soft, breathable cotton is usually selected because it provides comfort while maintaining durability after repeated washing. Designers also consider fabric weight, stretch, texture, and color consistency before production begins. Pattern pieces are arranged strategically to minimize waste while preserving the natural grain of the fabric. Precision cutting ensures that front panels, sleeves, collars, and hems align perfectly during assembly. A tailored blazer represents one of fashion's greatest demonstrations of precision craftsmanship. Unlike casual garments, a blazer depends upon structure, balance, and exact measurements to create a polished appearance. Designers first sketch the blazer while determining lapel width, button placement, pocket positions, sleeve proportions, and overall silhouette. Every line influences the garment's professional character. Fabric selection focuses on materials that combine elegance with durability. Wool blends, fine cotton, linen, and premium synthetic fabrics each offer different textures and levels of structure. Matching lining materials are also selected to improve comfort while maintaining shape. Accurate measurements become essential during cutting. Every panel must align perfectly so that seams meet cleanly and the blazer hangs evenly across the shoulders and torso. Creating an elegant skirt begins with selecting the desired silhouette. Designers may choose an A-line shape, pencil skirt, pleated design, or flowing circular cut, depending on the intended style and movement. Fabric choice greatly influences the skirt's appearance. Lightweight fabrics create graceful movement, while structured materials produce cleaner, sharper lines. Designers carefully consider how the fabric behaves during walking, sitting, and everyday wear. Patterns are transferred onto fabric with exceptional accuracy before cutting begins. Denim jeans combine rugged durability with timeless style, making them one of fashion's most versatile garments. Their creation begins with designing pocket layouts, seam placement, waistband construction, and overall fit. Unlike lighter fabrics, denim requires specialized attention because of its thickness and strength. Designers carefully select denim weight depending on whether the jeans are intended for fashion, comfort, or heavy-duty wear. Precision cutting becomes especially important because thick fabric leaves little room for correction. Every component, including front panels, back panels, pockets, waistband, and belt loops, is prepared separately before assembly begins. An evening gown represents the highest expression of elegance in fashion. Designed for formal occasions, galas, and celebrations, These garments demand exceptional attention to detail from the very first sketch. Designers begin by imagining how the gown will flow with every movement, creating graceful silhouettes that combine sophistication with timeless beauty. Long sweeping skirts, fitted bodices, elegant necklines, and carefully balanced proportions are all planned before production begins. Choosing luxurious fabrics is essential because the material determines the gown's overall character. Although hoodies are known for comfort rather than formal elegance, creating a premium hoodie still requires thoughtful design and precision manufacturing. Designers first determine the overall style, deciding whether the hoodie will feature a relaxed fit, athletic profile, oversized silhouette, or modern streetwear appearance. Soft fleece or cotton blend fabrics are selected to provide warmth while remaining breathable and durable. Fabric quality directly influences comfort, making material selection one of the most important decisions during production. Designers also evaluate stretch, thickness, softness, and long-term durability before moving forward. Pattern pieces are arranged carefully to ensure efficient material usage while maintaining accurate proportions. The hood, sleeves, body panels, cuffs, waistband, and pockets must align perfectly during assembly. Summer dresses celebrate lightness, movement, and effortless elegance. Designers begin by creating flowing sketches that emphasize comfort while maintaining feminine sophistication. Every line is carefully considered to ensure the finished garment feels airy, relaxed, and visually graceful. Fabric selection focuses on lightweight materials that allow air circulation while moving naturally with the body. Cotton, linen, rayon, and soft floral fabrics remain popular choices because they combine breathability with beautiful draping characteristics. Bright colors and delicate patterns often reinforce the cheerful spirit associated with warm weather fashion. Pattern development emphasizes simplicity without sacrificing elegance. Wide skirts, adjustable straps, soft gathers, and flowing silhouettes require carefully calculated proportions to maintain visual balance. Professional office wear combines elegance with practicality, allowing individuals to project confidence throughout the working day. Designers begin by creating coordinated outfits that balance modern style with professional expectations. Jackets, trousers, skirts, and blouses are planned together to achieve visual harmony. Fabric selection prioritizes wrinkle resistance, durability, breathability, and comfort. Since office clothing is worn for long hours, materials must maintain their appearance while allowing unrestricted movement. Neutral colors and refined textures often provide versatility for different workplace environments. Careful pattern making ensures every garment fits comfortably while presenting a clean, structured silhouette. Trousers require balanced leg proportions, jackets demand accurate shoulder construction, and blouses must combine elegance with ease of movement. Every measurement contributes to the outfit's professional appearance. Luxury fashion reaches its highest level through handcrafted detailing. Unlike mass production, handcrafted garments celebrate patience, artistry, and individual attention. Every dress begins with a carefully refined concept where beauty is measured not only by overall appearance, but also by the smallest decorative elements. Premium fabrics such as fine silk, velvet, lace, and embroidered textiles are selected with extraordinary care. Designers examine texture, weight, softness, and natural drape before choosing materials worthy of luxury craftsmanship. Every fabric contributes its own personality to the finished garment. Cutting is performed slowly and precisely by experienced artisans who understand that expensive materials allow little room for error. Every panel is aligned perfectly before assembly begins, preserving symmetry and ensuring flawless construction throughout the garment. Hand stitching introduces a level of refinement impossible to achieve through speed alone. Fashion is an extraordinary blend of imagination, technical knowledge, and artistic craftsmanship. Every elegant outfit begins with a vision, grows through careful planning, and reaches completion through patience, precision, and remarkable attention to detail. Whether creating a simple t-shirt, a perfectly tailored blazer, a flowing summer dress, or a luxurious handcrafted gown, every garment tells the story of creativity transformed into something beautiful that people can wear with confidence. Behind every finished outfit lies hours of sketching, fabric selection, accurate pattern making, careful cutting, expert sewing, repeated fitting, and meticulous finishing. These individual steps work together to create clothing that is not only stylish, but also comfortable, durable, and timeless. As fashion continues to evolve with new ideas and technologies, the dedication and craftsmanship behind elegant garment creation remain as important as ever. We hope this journey through the art of fashion has inspired you to appreciate the remarkable skill behind every beautiful outfit, and perhaps even encouraged you to explore your own creative ideas. Every great designer once began with a single sketch and the determination to transform imagination into reality. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every stitch you sew adds beauty to the world, and every design you create brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by creativity, craftsmanship, and passion.